Oh, I bet it's my delivery.
Hey, it took you long enough.
I beg your pardon?
Well, I'm freezing out here, and you're in there, enjoying warm indoor comfort. I'm coming in.
Oh, that's no way for a delivery person to talk. Where's your customer service?
It's frozen, like everything else. And I'm no delivery boy. I'm Old Man Winter.
Really?
That's right, Missy. I heard you have a new energy-efficient Goodman gas furnace.
You just stay out there where you belong. Winter is your creation. You deal with it.
Oh, calm down. Let me come in for 10 minutes just to warm up. That Goodman furnace is really making it toasty in your home. Stand aside!
Back off, Frosty.
I know the weather I create is unpredictable, but your new Goodman furnace is just so dependable.
Sorry, pal. I draw the line at Old Man Autumn.
Thank goodness for Goodman.